Hi, my name's Patrick Wilson. I'm a session stylist and I live here in London. A good hair day for me would be to wake up and it just obviously be the way I like to wear it. Nice bit of volume in the front and then just like effortless waves. The first time I ever used GHD, it was actually on my auntie's hair. All of the girls at school had a pair of GHDs and I was like, what is this? I think my auntie actually got one and I just used to watch home tutorials like YouTube videos and I tried to GHD curl her hair. If we could turn back time and speak to me when I was 16, I'd say do not have those awful haircuts. I used to have it shaved on one side. I used to literally get the GHDs and spike it right up and then a layer of hairspray and then again with the styler. And my passport photo for the last 10 years has been so bad. When I would be in the airport, they wouldn't actually recognise that it was me. And so many times they've had to bring people over and look at the passport and say, is this you? When really it was.